Lecture 1 Computer Hardware. Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn about something super cool. Computer hardware. Have you ever wondered what makes your computer work? After learning this lecture, students will be able to define computer hardware. Identify different computer hardware. Classify computer hardware into different types. Ready to become a computer expert? Let's go! Hardware versus software. Now, here's something important. Hardware and software. Hardware is all the parts of a computer you can touch, like the keyboard and mouse. But software? It's like magic instructions that tell the computer what to do. Hardware versus software examples. Let's see if we can tell the difference. Can you touch the computer screen? Yes, you can. So, it's hardware. But what about a game you play on the computer? You can't touch that. So the game is software. Computer hardware. Just like our body has parts we can touch, like our arms and legs, computers have parts we can touch too. These parts are called hardware. For example, you can touch the keyboard, so it's hardware. Examples of computer hardware. Let's look at some examples of hardware. We have the monitor, CPU case, keyboard, mouse, and printer. These are all parts you can touch and feel, and they help make your computer work. Different types of hardware. There are many types of hardware. We have a power supply, speakers, hard drive, and more. Each part has a special job to help the computer work at its best. Types of hardware. Hardware can be divided into two types. First, there's internal hardware, like the hard disk and the motherboard, which are inside the computer. Then, we have external hardware, like the monitor and keyboard, which are outside the computer and easy to touch. Monitor. A monitor is a hardware part that shows us pictures, videos, and games. It's made up of circuitry, a screen, a power supply, and a casing. It's like the computer's face, showing us what's happening inside. Central Processing Unit, CPU. Now, meet the CPU. This is the most important part of a computer. It's like the brain of a computer, doing all the thinking. The CPU processes instructions, runs programs, and makes sure everything works smoothly. Keyboard. A computer keyboard is a hardware part, just like a typewriter. It has lots of keys for letters, numbers, symbols, and other functions. When you press a key, it helps you type words and numbers on the screen. Mouse. A computer mouse is another hardware part. It moves a little arrow called a cursor on the screen. With the mouse, you can click to select things like text, icons, files, and folders. Printer. A printer is a hardware part that prints what you see on the screen onto paper. This is called a hard copy. It can print text, pictures, or even both together, making it easy to hold your computer work in your hands. Hard copy versus soft copy. There are two types of copies, hard and soft. A hard copy is something you can touch, like paper. A soft copy is digital, like a file on your computer. You can see a soft copy on the screen, but you can't touch it. You can see a soft copy on the screen, but you can't touch it. And that's all about computer hardware. Thank you for learning with me.